First, I'll be making your biomemory completely open and available, ready to receive. Then drop the 16 sounds so that it just get mixed into your biomemory. Not even one part of your biomemory will be left unattended by these 16 sounds. See, the 16 sounds will make so much of unknown powers available to you. So many unknown powers available to you. Suddenly you will be able to see across the room, like how my Gurukul kids do. My Gurukul is like a Harry Potter school only. No, really. What they will come up with every day, nobody knows. What they will do each day, no one knows. Each one will explore in their own possibilities, consciousness, in different way. Still I feel it is not yet become as I want. It has come much. They have come far, very far. My vision is in next at least 3-4 years. They will have the vision of the circuits of all the signs available in the Rishi's time, like the Rishi's time, our Vimana, our Pushpaka Vimana. They will just know the circuit and start reproducing that. They will know the circuit of those days television. In Meenakshi's time, we had a television. Each house will have a stone slab. From my seat, if I sit and talk anything, they will all be able to see. It was completely sound-based. Sound-based. So, it was available. It was available. That is the way I am visualizing. These kids will just see those circuits and start reproducing, recreating. Then I will feel confident that now nobody can destroy it. I think only then I will feel I have revived it. Till now we have not revived it. We are only researching it. We are only researching it. See, what I am doing is only a first level work. Whatever slokas, sutras available, taking it out and making it as a user friendly, like this third eye awakening power, and making it as a power and transmitting. I heard that 100% this time the IA kids are doing the blindfold reading. The Shivoham kids, they may have to pick up, I think now it's only third day, they will pick up today or tomorrow. The IA kids, 100%, they are picking it up. They have picked it up already. That's good news. And say like this, one or two few powers, I am taking it out and making it as a reality and sharing. But what I really wanted to do is getting everything back, downloading, getting everything back and making it into useful. The simple individual flights at the cost of the bicycle is available in Vedic tradition, I know. Individual flights at the cost of the bicycle, only the risk level of the bicycle. Just you can raise around 100 or 200 feet and move and land where you want. In your speed, it is available in our Vimana Shastra. Just need to download those circuits and plan it and present it. Actually, when I do that, when I'm able to make the Gurukul kids do that, I'll feel I have revived. Till then, we are only doing research. See, for a common person, this itself is wow. But that is not sufficient to revive the Vedic tradition, Vedic civilization. Just they talk to a rose plant and it drops. The thorn is the first step. But in front of them, the tiger and lion should drop the violence and relax, sit with the cat and chat, and the snake and frog should be sipping coffee together. Goat and the lion should be drinking water from the same pond, playing with each other. That kind of a space is possible. I'll say when my kids create that kind of a space, I'll feel that it's revived. It's revived. Even now, many of our kids are successfully able to bring or stop the rain as they want. A big success ratio. But not all. Still, I am not able to establish all that as a science. Still, it's all there as a individual powers. See, this 16 sound can awaken multiple layers of powers in you. Multiple layers of powers in you. When you feel good about somebody and give them best wishes, it will become such a powerful blessing. All this will start getting awakened in you with this 16 sound. Your incompletions, depressions will just leave you like a diarrhea. Understand? Just like the speed of diarrhea, they will leave you. The incompletions and depression, they will leave you in the speed of diarrhea. Listen. So your incompletions and patterns will leave you in the speed of loose motion. So remember this great theory, loose motion can never be done in slow motion. That's the Newton's fourth law. It is literally like a spiritual atom bomb. Please understand. Spiritual atom bomb. Listen. So once I start the process, no movement, no water. Can you all cooperate? Yes. Now if you want, without moving, you can sip water. Please close your eyes for a moment. Just for a few minutes, close your eyes and inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale as slowly as possible, as deeply as possible. Shiva, Shiva, Shivayai, 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 Shiva, 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 Shivayai, Shambhavi, Bhairavi, Tripura Bhairavi, Sriyantravasini, Bindumandalavasini, Kameshwara Sameda Kameshwari, Brahmanda Yoni, Mahamate, Kulagundalini, Sriyantra Rupini, Sri Chakra Rupini, Sri Chakra Vasini, Sri Chakra Pita Nilaye, Shodasi Swarupini, Amba, Shambhavi, Amba, Shambhavi, Bindumandala Madhye, Nivasini, Jaganmate, Omkara Rinkara, Mahamandala Swarupini, Brahmanda Yoni, Hiranyagarbha Swarupini, Jagatatri, Shivaduti, Mahamayi, Shambhavi, Ashtama Siddhidayini, Sugadayini, Anandadayini, Shivabodadayini, Jaganmata, Kulakundalini. Wake up in every biomemory here. శబ్దచక్రవాసిని శబ్దచక్రస్వరూపిణి అహమహం స్ఫురణ ఆత్మస్ఫురణ రూపిణి ఆనందస్ఫురణ రూపిణి మహమాయి కాళి మాగాళి శివా అద్వైతానందమయి మహమాయి జగన్మాత కులగుండలిని జగన్మాతే లీవ్ యువర్ స్లీప్, వేక్ అప్, ఎక్స్ప్లోడ్, ఉత్తిష్టత, జాగ్రత్త. కులకుండలిని మహమాయి జగన్మాతే శక్తి శంకరి శాంభవి జగన్మాతే వారాహి మంత్రిణి తండిణి ఆనందవనవాసిని మగమాయి సుగబోధ శివబోధ శ్రీపురవాసిని శ్రీపీఠ నిలయే శ్రీపురవాసిని